Welcome to the transformation of Fellenoord 15, a visionary project in Eindhoven, Netherlands, designed by the renowned architects at UNStudio. Let's delve into the fascinating details that make this renovation a standout in modern architecture. Unique design elements. At the heart of this renovation lies a harmonious blend of form and function. UNStudio's design philosophy seamlessly integrates sustainability with aesthetics, creating a space that not only captivates the eye but also minimizes environmental impact. The innovative use of materials and cutting-edge technology sets a new standard for architectural excellence. Sustainable innovation. One of the key highlights of this project is its commitment to sustainability. From energy-efficient systems to green spaces that promote biodiversity, every aspect of the renovation is meticulously planned to reduce carbon footprint and enhance the well-being of its occupants. Fellenoord 15 stands as a beacon of eco-conscious design in the heart of Eindhoven. Community impact. Beyond its architectural brilliance, Fellenoord 15 is a testament to the power of revitalizing urban spaces. By transforming a traditional office building into a modern marvel, UNStudio has revitalized the surrounding area, creating a vibrant hub for creativity and collaboration. This project not only elevates the skyline but also enriches the community it serves. Conclusion. In conclusion, Fellenoord 15's renovation by UNStudio is a testament to the transformative power of architecture. Through innovative design, sustainable practices, and a commitment to community, this project sets a new standard for urban renewal. Follow us to gain knowledge about such unique projects all around the world and share this knowledge with your friends in the design industry.